Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a direct message widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on widgets at the bottom. Now go down and tap on contacts to expand it. In here, touch and hold on the direct message widget and then drag it out to the home screen and let go. Next, you need to select a contact as a shortcut. So I'm going to select this person one contact. Now, whenever you want to quickly send a text message to that person, you can use the shortcut on the home screen to quickly open up the text messaging app and ready to send that person a text message. And then tap on send, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.